Hello, I received your question here. You're giving this information up here. Uh, I guess you come down here. In your email, you specifically asked about the z-test, although I do see you missed this part here. Uh, this part here, you need to use table 5, for the t-test. And so be sure and use table 5, and I guess you'd use n, and then in the alpha value, and it's a one-tailed test. So you'd look back where it's a one-tailed test, the alpha value and n, and I guess you look at up in the table, and that's what they rounded it to. So I don't know if you had a question about that part from table 5 or not, but your question said you had a question about the z-test statistic. How they get this value. So, right here's the formula for z-test. If you looked in your book, it's on page 388. If you look on page 388, you'll find they give you this formula here. It's p hat minus p all over the square root of p times q over n. I guess we're given everything, but, I do have to calculate q. P hat is given up here as 0.42. P is given as 0.45. So you want to subtract, that would be what, a negative 0.03. And P is, well, it's 0.45. Now, how did I get Q? Q is just 1 minus P, right? Q is 1 minus P, right? And so, 1 minus 0.45 would be 0.55. Then N was given up here as 150. And so, it's a matter of putting this in the calculator. So I don't know if you have trouble with the formula or using the calculator, but I put that in the calculator and I get minus 0.73 85, and they asked you to round 2 places, so I guess that'd be minus 0.74 because this next digit's an 8. I hope that helps.